It's weather time and Louise joins us. So it seems, Louise, as if there are a couple of weather warnings on the way.
And that's even though it's been a good bit milder.
Yes, noticeably milder today, but we have some very unsettled conditions coming our way with wet and windy weather. We had a few thunderstorms push through across parts of County Fermanagh and County Armagh today. Now, temperatures will rise over the next couple of days, but the wind will increase through tomorrow morning. We have a yellow warning for wind across the east coast of Northern Ireland. 65 miles per hour winds, mostly affecting parts of County Down and County Antrim. Then we have our next yellow wind warning on Sunday for all parts of Northern Ireland. Again, winds could be 50 to 60 miles per hour, so very wet and windy conditions. But as I said, also feeling a lot milder. Temperatures by day around this time of year should be around 8 degrees Celsius. We can expect them to rise to about 12 or 13 and hold up around 8 degrees Celsius overnight, when they really should be about 1 or 2 degrees. So very mild period, but very wet and windy. Here's the forecast. So we move to milder air over the next couple of days, but it will become rather unsettled with wet and windy weather. We have 2 weather warnings in place over the next couple of days. One for the east coast through tomorrow morning. We can expect winds to gust at 65 miles per hour. The additional weather warning for wind comes into force through Sunday, and we can expect some very wet and windy conditions then too. Taking a look at the pressure sequence, we are drawing up milder air from the Azores over the next few days, but we have a deep area of low pressure pushing in, bringing a number of frontal systems over the next few days. Wet, windy conditions with some brisk, strong southerly winds at times. Tonight it should stay largely dry through the first part of this evening. Wet conditions pushing in across the west and northwest with a few scattered showers. Then we have a band of rain pushing up along the southeast through the early hours as we head towards dawn. Some very heavy downpours there. Temperatures holding up tonight though, around 9 or 10 degrees Celsius, so a very mild night. Winds will pick up very early on tomorrow, gusting 65 miles per hour along the east coast, 45 to 55 miles per hour inland, along with quite a lot of heavy rain, at times 5 to 15 millimetres of rainfall. As we move into the afternoon, the winds will slowly start to ease off, with a few bright and sunny spells developing, with a top temperature of 13 degrees Celsius. A wet and windy start across the rest of Ireland tomorrow, becoming drier and brighter into the afternoon. 1 or 2 scattered showers never too far away. Freshening to strong southerly winds with a top temperature of 13 degrees Celsius. Saturday looks like the best day of the weekend, with drier, brighter conditions. Winds much lighter than we will have through tomorrow, but then we see the return of wet and windy weather through Sunday. Temperatures really staying on the mild side though for this time of year. Bye-bye.